Hello guys, welcome back to Enable Website Design. In this video we are going to discuss how you can embed documents from Google Drive in your WordPress website. So first of all, you can go in website dashboard and you need to install a free plugin. You can go and click on add plugin. Here you can search for Google Drive and you will get different plugins. You can try one by one. So here we are going to use this one, File Manager for Google Drive. You can install this plugin free of cost, and after that, now the first step is we need to connect Google account. So make sure that you have a Google Drive account. You can go and simply click here add account, scroll down and click here continue button. Now Google Drive account is connected. Here you can see 15 GB space is free. So now we can go back and here you can see file browser. So these are all the files. So now I want to add this document in website. Now simply we can go to module builder, scroll down and click here to create a new module. Now here you can see this one, embed documents. Then scroll down. Here you can select the files that you want to embed. So I want to select this one, docs file. And then you can apply different filters. After that, go to advanced tab. Here you can select the frame height. So by default this one is 480 pixel. Then scroll down for the permissions. You can also enable password protection. After that, click on save changes and now click on embed. Now here you can see shortcode. You can copy this one and after that you can go and create a new page. So let me give a name, Google Drive documents, and here simply you can add this shortcode. Then click here publish button. So now let's view this page. Now here you can see Google Drive documents are displaying here. So in this way you can easily add documents in your WordPress website.